We want to make this website responsive. So go to my YouTube channel, you see this video. You can check the source code and the description. You can see the source code and also the materials I use, the images and everything. So go to your so want to make it responsive, right click and go to inspect, do what you should have. So we want to make this website responsive on all devices so that when you open it on iPhone, Samsung, it will display well and not scattered. You can see right now it is scattered. Okay, see, I'm kind of opening it on different screens. It is scattered. So after we have made it responsive, when you open it on other screens, it will not display in a bad way. Look at now. The login box is not well displayed. So now go to your style.css. So we want to make it responsive. All right. So this is where we stop for the normal website design. So we'll be using at media screen, at media screen. So at media screen and max width. So we want to design for the width of 1200 pixel. That means 1200 pixel and below. That's normal screen size. So we brought a comment. So dot navbar, the width should be 100%. The height should be 100 pixel. So refresh. So any screen that is 1200 and below. So the navbar, the width is 100% and the rest. So ULLI. So you can check the margin left 30 pixel. So ULLI anchor font size 1.6 VW. Okay, refresh. So screen size of that size, we have effects. So I've talked about the navbar. So you can see that there are changes there. So we want to make dot search. So margin top should be 3 pixel, margin left should be 290 pixel. So dot sroch, you can check the index.html, you see all this stuff there. So you can see the difference now. Okay. So that is width 190 pixel, font size 14 pixel. So now dot btn, height is 40 pixel, width is 80 pixel. So refresh. So this for this particular screen. Okay, so now dot content, width 100%, then dot content h1, dot content span. So font size is 4.5 VW. So dot content dot paragraph. So width should be 90%. Font size should be 1.5 VW. Then dot content dot cn. Width is 13%. Height is 3.5 VW. Font size is 1.8 VW. So refresh. You can see the screen that is 1200 and below. Okay. So I'm trying to make some changes. All right. So screen that 1200 and below, it will have effects. All this effect, all these things we have made now, it will have effect on it. So dot contents anchor, font size. So refresh. So 1200 and below. That's what's being affected now. That's for this screen. So contents anchor font size 1.6 VW. So want to adjust for screen size that is a maximum width of 1170 pixel. So that's for the login box. So if a particular screen is 1170 pixel, now the main, so we are designing for the login box. So any screen that 1170 pixel and below. So the login box, like this padding left should be 20 pixel, height should be 180 VH. Now click on that your right place, split editor, then copy from this place dot form to the end, dot form to the end of this place. Paste it here. Also copy from dot form input, then paste it where I'm pasting it also. You can now you can see where I clicked for the split editor. Now change for that dot form. Click change top to 420 pixel, change left to 50 pixel. So refresh. Okay, refresh. You can see that there are changes right now. You can see that the login box is down there. So dot form, bring margin left to be minus 30 pixel. So you can see it has shifted to the left. Okay. All right. So dot btnn anchor. So font size should be 16 pixel. So let's also talk about don't font don't dot link anchor. Font size is 16 pixel. So refresh. All right. So let's design for under screen. Maximum width of 830 pixel. So this for tablets. Tablets. So 830 pixel and below. So if you open this particular website on that kind of screens, this is what's going to happen. So dot content margin top 120 pixel width 80%, margin left 40 pixel. So dot content h1 dot content span font size 6 VW dot content dot paragraph. So the width should be 15%, height should be 4.5 VW, font size 2 VW. Okay, so dot contents anchor font size should be 2 VW. Refresh. So this is for screen of 830 and below. So let's talk about the logo now. Dot logo margin left should be 240 pixel, width 100%, margin top 15 pixel, font size 5 VW. So once for this screen, we want the logo to come down, but it has not come down right now. So okay, so width should be, let's make these changes. Width should be 90%, font size should be 1.8 VW. So content CN, change this. So content CN width should be 15%, height should be 4.5 VW. Now, content anchor, font size should be 2 VW. Make these changes, then refresh. Now, click on that device, that place I clicked on right now to change the device. So I've changed to mobile. It was on desktop before. So I've changed to mobile. So now let's talk about the dot menu. You can see that the logo is now below dot menu, which is 100%. Then UL, you can see that the logo is below. Then the UL margin top minus 5 pixel, margin left 5 pixel, ULLI margin left is 60 pixel, ULLI anchor is font size 2 VW. So you can see now this for screen of tablet. You can see how it is. We are designing for tablet right now. So for the search bar, dot search margin top should be minus 20 pixel, margin left 60 pixel. Refresh. Okay, so you can see now the search bar is now to the left right now. So dot sroch height is 30 pixel, width is 160 pixel, font size 12 pixel. So dot btn height is 30 pixel, height is 30 pixel. Okay, so copy that part. Dot main, then paste it here. So delete this last this one. Delete this last tag. So I copy, so refresh, refresh. So I'm trying to design for maximum width of 830 screen. Okay, so media screen for 600 pixels. So designing for the screen of 600 pixel. So in your comment, put this iPad. So iPad screen. So that when you open it there, it will be responsive. So margin top 80 pixel, margin left 20 pixel. So the search margin top should be 80 pixel, margin top minus 40 pixel, margin left should be 42 pixel. Then the logo, margin left 180 pixel, font size 4 VW. Refresh. So you can see now any the screen size that is below 630. So you can see. All right. So I designed for screen size that is below 600 rather. So UL margin top should be minus 25 pixel, margin left minus 5 pixel, ULLI margin left 50 pixel, ULLI anchor font size 2 VW. So refresh. So if it's screen size that is 600 and below, so that will be this is the design we have made for it. So on that screen size again now, media screen mask with 450 pixel. So screen size that is 450 pixel and below. So that is mobile. So logo margin left should be 140 pixel, font size 4 VW. So UL margin top minus 25 pixel. So ULLI anchor font size should be 2VW. ULLI margin left should be 42 pixel. So refresh. So we're designing for 450 and below. That's this for mobile. You can see how it is responsive right now. Okay. So the search margin top should be minus 40 pixel. Margin left should be 38 pixel. Refresh. So you can see the changes that are being made. So that when we open this on different devices, it should be responsive. Okay, let's change on that device right now. You can see how it is. So let's check on that device XR. You can see I'm testing it right now. You can see it is well responsive on other devices. Pixel 7, this is how it is. This Pixel 7, you can see. So all the items, all the elements in the on the website is displaying well right now. Subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Also share this video to your friends so that they can also benefit from what you're benefiting. All right. So with this video, you're able to make your website responsive. If you like this video, leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.